Anti-inflammatory diet, the cookbook for preventing and reversing inflammatory symptoms and diseases naturally to promote healthy living, healthy eating lifestyle, movement 3. Written by Dr. Cox, Brandon Simone, Dr. Anna Mike Marla, narrated by Michael Borge. Introduction. Are you ready to make the big decision to take control of your immunity to diseases and join the healthy eating lifestyle movement? If yes, congratulations. You have just made one of the best decisions of your life. Imagine you could reduce your risk of diabetes, cancer, heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, weight loss, osteoporosis, cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome, and increase longevity and health. One of the best motivations for people transitioning to an anti-inflammatory diet meal plan comes from how great they feel and how much they can do in their lives by living healthy. It's generally an accepted fact that by following an anti-inflammatory diet, you would be able to lessen your risk of several chronic diseases caused by severe inflammation just in a couple of weeks. Quite amazing and unexpected secret can be associated with an active lifestyle, stress management, weight control, and a diet plan lower in red meat, sugar, and saturated fat and oil, etc. The anti-inflammatory diet provides a host of health advantages, which is not limited to healing heart diseases, arthritis, diabetes, lung disease, asthma, inflammatory bowel disease, Alzheimer's disease, autoimmune disorders, cancers, and many others. This comprehensive cookbook translates the famously healthy anti-inflammatory diet for home with a wide range of creative recipes, which are fast enough to be made on a weeknight using ingredients available at your local supermarket on either slow cooker, instant pot, and other cooker you have at home. It also makes it more convenient than ever to eat healthy by incorporating more vegetables, grains, beans, and seafood into your diet and exploring the healthful, authentic flavors to your meal plan. This anti-inflammatory diet cookbook is a super healthy diet which guaranteed to guide you on the everyday necessary information with a wide variety of flavorful recipes and guide on the relationship between inflammation and food. Much more than a book of recipes and cookbook, it's the #1 inflammation-fighting diet for its great impact on prevention of risk of high blood pressure, heart diseases, arthritis, diabetes, lung disease, asthma, inflammatory bowel disease, Alzheimer's disease, autoimmune disorders, cancers, cardiovascular disease, stroke, and lower metabolic syndrome risks. It's a diet that promotes healthy lifestyles. So, don't delay. Set aside your concerns about not knowing what to eat or feeling unsatisfied with the anti-inflammatory diet meal plan. You'll enjoy delicious, simple diet plans and food that you want to eat every day. If you're ready for a healthy eating lifestyle, this book is a must-have for you. Chapter 1. What is inflammation? Inflammation is the defense mechanism in the torso. The disease-fighting capability identifies damaged cells, irritants, and pathogens. And it begins the healing process. When something harmful or irritating affects an integral part of our body, there's a biological response to attempt to take it off. The signs or symptoms of inflammation could be uncontrollable, but certainly are a display that your body is wanting to heal itself. Inflammation is an area of the body's immune response. It could be beneficial when, for instance, your leg sustains a blow and tissues need care and protection. However, sometimes inflammation can persist longer than necessary, causing more harm than benefit. Symptoms of inflammation vary based on it. The reaction is acute or chronic. Consequences of acute inflammation are pain. The inflamed area may very well be painful, especially after and during touching. Chemicals that stimulate nerve endings are released, making the area even more sensitive. Inflammation. This occurs as the capillaries in the region are filled up with even more blood than usual. Immobility. There could be some lack of function around the inflammation. Swelling. That is the effect of a buildup of fluid. Heat. More blood flows toward the affected area, which makes it experience warm to touch. These 5 acute inflammation signs only interact with inflammations of your skin. If inflammation occurs deep in the body, such as within internal organ, only a number of the symptoms could be noticeable. For instance, some organs might not have sensory nerve endings nearby, so you'll...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?